channel. If you're new here, welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can achieve this Harley Quinn makeup look from Suicide Squad 2. I've been so excited to once again turn myself into Harley Quinn because if you guys have been following me, I think Harley Quinn is the character I've turned myself into the most, just in different styles. Back in 2018, I turned myself into the cartoon version of her. In 2019, I turned myself into the first Suicide Squad version of her. And now in 2021, I'm turning myself into Suicide Squad 2 version of Harley. And before we go any further, I have to mention 𝐼𝐶osplay because they were amazing enough to send me their Harley Quinn costume and I am just absolutely in love with it. It is so well made. All of the accessories and gloves and pieces are just absolutely fantastic and it really helps bring this character to life and I'm just absolutely in love with this. I really love this jacket and honestly I wouldn't be surprised if I wear it outside of the costume just like over a black tank top or something because it is so nice and the quality is absolutely amazing. So if you guys are looking for a Harley Quinn costume, I will have this linked down below for you guys. This is not sponsored, but it was so amazing of them to send me their costume. So I just wanted to give them a quick shout out because that is so nice and honestly it really helps me a lot this Halloween and it feels nice to have a brand support me, so definitely check them out. Also, speaking of Halloween, if you guys are not already, please subscribe to my channel because I am posting a new Halloween makeup tutorial every weekday for the entire month of October, which is about 21 Halloween makeup looks, which is super exciting. You guys don't want to miss it. Also, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'm going to be talking about the giveaway that I'm doing here on my channel to thank you guys for supporting me this Halloween because this is the biggest season of the year for my channel, and so I definitely want to thank you at the end of this. So stick around towards the end to get information on how you can enter into the Halloween giveaway as well. So anyways, without any further ado, if you guys are interested in seeing how you can turn yourself into Harley and also how you can braid and style her wig as well, then just keep watching. Hey spoops, so to get started I'm going to be showing you how you can braid your wig. I got this from Wig is Fashion and I will have it linked down below for you guys. So I'm going to be starting off by sectioning it into the ponytails and then brushing out each side individually and going ahead and starting to pull that into the three parts, pulling one over each middle section and doing a traditional braid. I'm then going to be doing the same thing to the other side as well, once again making sure to brush it out, sectioning it out into three sections, and then from each outside piece, starting with one side, I'm going to be pulling that over to the center portion, creating, once again, a traditional braid. Thankfully, Harley has a relatively easy hairstyle in most of her movies, so all that's left to do is put on your goggles over the wig, and there you have the completed wig styling. Next, we're going to be moving on to makeup. I'm going to be starting off by first popping in my light blue contact lenses, and I will have these linked down below for you guys. And then I'm going to be going into my Fenty Skin sunscreen, and I'm going to be applying this all over my face to help moisturize it. And then we're going to be moving on to our Buckle Bunny Beauty Sheer Perfection Primer and applying this all over our face as well. I'm then going to be going into my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Brightener, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes to help brighten and conceal those dark circles before going into my Milani Supercharged Peach Concealer and applying this under my eyes as well, and this is going to help bring a little bit more warmth back under my eyes. I'm then going to be going into my MAC Strobe Cream and applying this to my cheekbones, and this is going to help give a little bit more of a natural glow under the foundation. I'm then going to be taking my NYX Total Control Foundation in Porcelain and first starting off by applying this onto my face. This is going to serve as a base. I'm just applying it with my IT Cosmetics Airbrush Blurring Foundation Brush. I'm then going to be mixing my NYX Total Control Foundation in Porcelain with some of my Made You Look body paint in Yeti, and this is really going to help give a nice, natural, pale looking foundation without having the streaks that just using the white foundation would have, and this makes it a lot easier to build up as well. I'm then going to be going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Creamed Powder Foundation in Mocha, and I'm going to be using this as a cream contour, so I'm going to be applying this to all of the areas that I would like to contour or deepen and add some shadows to. So this is going to be under my cheekbones, my jawline, and my nose, and then you just want to make sure to blend that out. I'm then going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in white, and I'm going to be applying this under my eyes, my forehead, and under my cheekbones as well, and this is going to help brighten the foundation a little bit more and also help conceal and highlight my face a little bit more as well. So I'm just now going to be making sure to blend this out to avoid any streaks. I'm then going to be taking my Airspun translucent powder, and using this I'm going to be going ahead and setting my face. Before moving on to eyebrows, I'm going to be starting off by taking my NYX Precision Brow Pencil in Espresso, and I'm going to be going ahead and lightly filling in my eyebrows, making sure to use the spoolie side to help brush through that color and make it look a little bit more natural on my brows before going into my Buckle Bunny Beauty Brow Wow Pomade in Patsy, and I'm going to be applying this to the arch of my brows to help darken it, and then I'm going into my Benefit 24/7 Jet Set Brow Setter and sweeping this through my eyebrows to help them stay put. I'm then going to be going into my KVD Beauty Shade and Light Contour Palette, taking this contour color, and I'm going to be applying this to the areas that I applied the cream contour earlier. Not only is this going to help set that cream contour, but it's also going to help add a little bit more definition to my face as well. For my blush, I'm going to be taking my ColourPop Enchanted Mirror blush, and I'm going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks. And for my highlight, I'm going into my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, taking Ethereal, and I'm just going to be applying this to my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose as well. I'm going to be prepping my eyes with my Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer and applying that onto my eyelids before jumping back into my BH Cosmetics Spotlight Highlight Palette, going back into the Ethereal, and I'm actually going to be using this to highlight my brow bone. I'm then going to be going into my Be Perfect Carnival 3 palette, taking Blaze, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelid, making sure to softly blend it up as we get closer to our brow bone. We're also going to be bringing this down to our lower lash line as well, and then making sure with a small detail brush, we're going to be creating 3 little lines coming off of our lower lash line to replicate the look that she has for her eyeshadow. Next, I'm going to be going into Chili Pepper from the palette, and this is a darker red tone that I'm going to be using to add some more contour. So I'm going to be applying this to the outer corner of the eyes and the inner corner as well, and this is going to create a soft halo eye effect. And then of course you want to bring that down to your lower lash line as well, and make sure to softly blend out the edges. I'm then going to be going into my L'Oreal So Kiss Me eyeliner, and using this I'm going to be applying this to my lower waterline before going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid eyeliner in black, and I'm going to be creating just a little soft line on my upper lash line. I'm then going to be prepping my eyelashes by curling them before going into my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just sweeping this through my upper and my lower eyelashes. The eyelashes I selected for this look are my E&E Lashes in Cherry, and I'm just going to be popping this on to my upper lash line. These are unfortunately discontinued, so the lashes that I would recommend if you are replicating this look are the Lily Lashes in the style Miami. I'm then going to be going into my ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Bull Chic, and I'm going to be going ahead and outlining my lips. I'm then going to be going into my KVD Beauty Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Witches, and I'm going to be going ahead and filling in my lips. I'm then going to be taking my Made You Look body paint in ink, and I'm going to be creating that little heart tattoo that she has on the side of her eye. I went ahead and used a little bit of black eyeshadow to fill it in and help make it look a little bit more natural instead of just filling in completely with my body paint. And then I'm going to be creating the rotten tattoo that she has on her jawline. And that is my completed makeup tutorial for Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad 2. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you'd like to see next. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can see more of my upcoming Halloween makeup tutorials. Also, make sure you support Sim Cosplay. I will have their website linked down below so you guys can find the perfect costume this Halloween. And if you haven't already, please consider supporting me on Patreon. You can support me for as little as $1 a month and receive all exclusive behind-the-scenes sneak peeks of upcoming characters before anybody else, and it really does help support me and my channel. So once again, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Hey Spoops, cutting in for a minute to tell you how you can enter in my Halloween giveaway worth over $200, where one of you will be winning all of these Halloween makeup goodies. This giveaway is going on from October 1st to October 31st at midnight, aka like November 1st at midnight, like in between, that in between space, that one. So in order to enter into my giveaway, you first need to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Next is to leave a comment on my 2021 Halloween makeup tutorials. My Halloween makeup tutorials that I'm going to be uploading this month, it's ideally going to be one every weekday for the entire month of October, which comes out to 21 makeup tutorials. They are the tutorials that I'm going to be selecting the winner from. And the way that I'm going to be doing it is 21 makeup tutorials. I'm going to number them 1 through 21 and have a random number generator select a random number between 1 and 21, and I'm going to select that video associated with that number and have a random comment generator select a comment from that video. You can most definitely comment on all of my videos, and that gives you the best chance of entering, because that way you consistently have a comment on every single video, so that way whenever the video is picked randomly, you are definitely entered in that area. Third is you definitely need to make sure that whenever you leave a comment, this is very important, that you leave your Instagram handle tagged in the comment. I'm going to be DMing the winner through Instagram, so definitely make sure that your profile is public on Halloween, so that way I can DM you and let you know that you won. But I will need to be able to find you. If I click on your comment, I'm gonna need to be able to find you, so please leave your Instagram handles in the comments whenever you leave a comment throughout the entire month, just because I want to be able to message you and let you know that you won, because otherwise I won't really have a way to get a hold of you. And last but not least, this is unfortunately only open to US residents only. This is the first giveaway that I am doing. I would really love to open it up internationally in the future. However, because this is the first giveaway, I want to make sure that it goes well, so I'm going to leave it US only for now, and then hopefully in future giveaways I can make it international. And because I'm not sure if I need to say this or not, no purchase is necessary in order to enter to win, and we will only be having one winner for all of these fun Halloween goodies. So I'm so excited. Once again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, and back to the video.